Scythe 460 taper versus Dran sword 360 flat. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Bird or Robin Kazami versus X or Jackson Cross. Yeah, for some reason I never did this battle, and I don't know why. I think it's probably because the whole Noozle 3D thing not being invented when these Beyblades first came out, but because I'm able to do it now, let's do the battle. Before we get started, I want to say, if you want to support this channel and get Beyblades for yourself, please go to some of the links in the description. Some of the links lead you to Beyblade sites like Mall of Toys and Bays and Bricks, and for all those links, they're actually meant to kind of support the community, and you can also support the channel in the process whenever you buy from those sites. So if you want to support me in a financial way, you can use my coupon code or click the links in the description. The coupon code is called the Legendary R. 5% off on Mall of Toys, 7% off on Bays and Bricks, and 10% off on bulk dominoes. So if you want any of those things, then feel free to go to the links in the description, or just basically use those coupon codes at checkout for those discounts. And if you want to support me in a non-financial way, you can like, comment, share, subscribe. All those things help a lot. So thank you, I appreciate it. And my new subscriber goal, since we reached 3,000 subscribers recently, thank you so much for that. I'm on to my next goal, which is 4,000 subscribers. So let's get to it. And now, let's continue the video. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Whoa. Intense clashes. And Dran sword takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa. Really big hits. Now slide this all down, and Dran sword takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Ratchet Snipe. Dran sword takes that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, big hits. Whoa! Scythe almost got extremed. And Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Really big hits. Scythe takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Scythe takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Uh-oh. Looks like Dran sword's not doing too good. Scythe is tipping over too. It's coming down to a wire. And Dran sword takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Dran sword takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Yeah, this battle got kind of fast. And Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, a lot of clashing and scraping. Dran sword takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Dran Sword is doing his best. And Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa, okay. Dran Sword takes that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Dran Sword takes that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Dran Sword wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Really? Wow. Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I was going to say that it feels like these battles are over before I can even think to say anything. Dran Sword wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, Scythe is doing his best. And Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Dran Sword takes that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, it's coming down to a wire. And Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Scythe is scraping. Let's see if this means Dran Sword will be able to take a win. And Scythe takes that round with a spin finish. Overall, this battle was really weird, to say the least. It's not really weird because of the fact that I'm using Beyblades that are over a year old. It's actually weird because of the fact that the way these two Beyblades interact with each other, it really just seems like, I don't know, it's kind of like a stall battle, but at the same time is also chaotic. It's a weird mix. Either way, I'll announce the winner now. Your winner is Dran Sword 360 flat. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.